All right, guys, we are taking our 8 grams biscuits and we are just laying them onto our sheet pan here. You guys are in for a treat today. All right, just pop these in the oven for about 8 minutes at 375. And while that's in the oven, we have 2 cans of, oh my goodness, woo! We have 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. Go ahead and scrape all that goodness out. All right, just spread this out on the bottom of your greased baking dish. And guys, I did scrape my cans out off camera, okay? And if you don't believe me, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, this stuff is kind of hard to spread. Why? I don't even really need to be spreading it. What am I doing? Okay. Now we have some cooked shredded chicken. This is about 4 cups of shredded chicken. There we go. Now we have some frozen mixed vegetables. Gonna do a nice amount of that right on top. We're gonna do about the same amount of mixed vegetables as there is chicken. So we do have a little bit left in this big bag. Now we have 2 cups of milk that we're pouring right into our 9 by 13 here. This is going to be a really easy and simple 1-pan dish. Now we have some salt. Come on out of there. Just a little bit of salt to taste. That soup is pretty salty. Now we have some pepper. Same thing. We're going to do some pepper to taste, little spice, everything nice. And we have some onion powder. Do a nice amount of that. I'm almost out of onion powder, so I'm probably gonna use the last of it for this recipe. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and take our big spoon and lightly mix everything together. And I think you might know what we're doing today, but you've probably never seen it made in this fashion before. If you don't want to mix it all in the dish like I'm doing, because I know not everybody wants to do that, you can totally, you can totally go ahead and mix it up in a bowl. But yeah, I just wanted to do it this way because I didn't want to have to clean any more dishes than I already have to. See, this is getting nice and thick in here with that soup and that milk. Oh man, I bet you never knew that delicious cooking could be this easy. Ooh, yeah. Make sure to pat it down so it jiggles. You want it to be this nice jiggly consistency. We got our halfway cooked biscuits. Ooh, they smell amazing. And we're just gonna go ahead and take it, put the cooked side down, raw side up, just like that. Go ahead and hurry along with it. Snuggle them in. Okay, so that they wouldn't be raw. We want them to cook all the way through. Okay, now we have some melted butter here. I'm gonna just put that right there in the front, and then I have garlic powder. We're gonna put a nice dash of garlic powder into our 4 tablespoons of melted butter. And then let's take it over here. Give it a nice little mix. Mix it up in there to create like a beautiful garlic butter to go on top of our biscuits. Okay. Now, just take some of that and put it on top of each of your biscuits. Oh man, oh, that's gonna be so scrumptious. All right, let's pop this in the oven at 375 for about 30 minutes. All right, guys, I ended up putting some foil on this just so those biscuits wouldn't burn. And look at that. Beautiful golden brown biscuits. And it smells amazing. Let us go ahead and dig right on in. We'll do this one right here. Oh, that nice thickness of everything. Oh yeah, look at that. One pan chicken pot pie. Ooh, we need to get some more of that yummy filling. Let's put it all around town. Oh yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh, it smells good. Ooh, let's look at this. You hear that? Oh yeah, that's a good biscuit.